today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, you read the title right. I sold my more than $1 million McLaren Senna hypercar to buy even more Bitcoin, to go long on Bitcoin, to bet on the Bitcoin price going higher. After seeing my trades here going down from $600,000 in a profit now to only $120,000 in a profit for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You might say, Chris, are you crazy? You're already all in. Now you are selling your cars and you are buying even more Bitcoin. Wait, guys, hear me out. Let's watch this video until the very end, because I have some very important information to share with you which are relevant for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term. Let's go straight into the content, guys. Thank you so much for liking the video. Thank you so much for commenting and making noise for the algorithm. I truly appreciate it. Before I'm going into the content, this is the car I just sold, right? And well, it was not the most comfortable anyways. It's the beautiful car, very good car on the racetrack. But honestly, what do I want to do on the racetrack when Bitcoin is tumbling around $20,000, the price we had 5 years ago? This is a great chance to buy Bitcoin for cheap when it comes to my opinion, and when it comes to the Bitcoin charts. Let's talk about Bitcoin right now. And here we are starting on the 2-hourly candles, and Bitcoin is still trapped in this symmetrical triangle. I have to admit, I had to redraw this line because, well, now it's complete. We need 3 touch points at least, right? And we are having beautifully here 3 touch points on the bottom, at least 3 touch points on the top. This is a legit one. And as you can see, if we are going all the way to the apex, this breakout can take until tomorrow, but this is the latest. Latest tomorrow, we are going to see the break. And the question, of course, is this break going to be towards the upside or towards the downside? If we are taking here the most conservative price target here for the breakdown, because the price leads actually down into this pattern, then you can see Bitcoin after the breakdown could still hold the $19,000 level if the break happens towards the upside. Of course, if you are a 2-dimensional trader, you can long or you can short, on completely depending on in what direction Bitcoin is breaking. If we are breaking to the upside, round about $20,900. But this is the deal, guys. This is the most important thing to understand. If I were to go over to the daily candles, dear ladies and gentlemen, then you can see, yes, Bitcoin broke the parabolic trend here. Actually, let me show you here. The parabolic trend broke it. The price target is this line here I mentioned since ages and ages, $19,000. This is at the same time the line in the sand. The price Bitcoin has to hold. If we are not holding this one, guys, a lot of thin air below us, like a lot of thin air. Let me show you. If Bitcoin doesn't hold the $19,000 level on the weekly, well, there's a lot of free space. So I don't have to mention more than I did already how important it is to hold the $19,000 price level for Bitcoin. However, something, and of course many things are speaking against the Bitcoin price, but this is always the case when we are close or at the bottom. It's always the case. Almost everyone is bearish. Indications are pointing towards bearish things. It's always the same. Otherwise, people wouldn't be willing to sell at these price levels. And this is where I come in. Fear and greed index at 20. Everyone being bearish on Bitcoin. This is the moment for me to get very cautious when being bearish. This is actually the moment for me to think, hey, maybe I will go against the stream right now. Maybe I will turn more bullish right now. And yes, I am keeping these trades open. I get on my trades, and only on my trades very careful if we break below 19,000. But with the money I actually got from selling my McLaren Senna, I'm gonna buy more Bitcoin. Of course, maybe I'm gonna stack up my trade if we are breaking towards the upside, but I'm also gonna buy more Bitcoin as hodler. All of these movements don't make any difference for you. And this is cheap in my opinion. On a 5 years perspective, I see Bitcoin going to 7 digits. This is still something I'm sticking to. And now I want to know from you what you think about that, dear ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I stay in my trades. Yes, I'm planning to even stack higher. And yes, I am accumulating actually US dollar or US dollar tether on my Binance account, $2.8 million already. You can see it on my Twitter. I'm posting daily updates. I'm accumulating to buy Bitcoin and altcoins. Yes, in the pinned comment down below, you can sign up on Bybit, you can sign up on Femex, you can sign up on Binance. All of these exchanges grant you a $10,000 bonus for free. go down below, click register deposit, and you can claim this free bonus. But also be aware of buying and holding being the best strategy out there. Of course, longing Bitcoin, shorting Bitcoin can give you some additional Bitcoin to outperform the market, but buying and holding is always my main strategy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end, liking the video, and as always, guys, as always, bye bye.